Imagine walking in your dream home in Kenya, whether for your family or as an investment property. The first thing that catches your eyes is a floor so unique, so elegant, and yet so durable. It feels like an investment for generations. The surprise? It is not any other flooring material, it is Terrazzo. For years, Terrazzo has been considered old school, something from the past. But today, it is making a huge comeback in modern homes, luxury apartments, and even high-end hotels. If you are planning for your dream home, especially as a Kenyan in the diaspora, looking for high quality and a low maintenance flooring solution, you are probably wondering, should I go for Terrazzo? Is it worth the hype? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will have all the answers you need. So, why is Terrazzo trending again? Simple. It is timeless, customizable, and practically indestructible. Unlike other flooring materials that can crack, wear out, or get scratched, Terrazzo is made to last a lifetime. And let's not forget, it is eco-friendly, made from recycled materials, and give your home a sleek high-end finish. The best part, you can customize it to match your style, whether you need a minimalist, modern, or a bold artistic design. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, cost. Yes, Terrazzo can be more expensive upfront than other flooring materials, but here's the thing, it is a one-time investment. No constant repairs, no replacements every few years. So, if you think long-term, Terrazzo is actually the smarter and more budget-friendly choice. At Veewave Enterprises, we understand that construction budgeting can be overwhelming, especially for our clients in the diaspora who want transparency and accountability in their projects. That's why we have created the Mastering Construction Budgeting ebook, your ultimate guide to managing costs without surprises. Grab your copy now from our website and take control of your construction budget like a pro. Now, here is where many homeowners make a mistake. Terrazzo is not a DIY project. It requires the right expertise to get that flawless, polished finish. That's where we come in. At Veewave Enterprises, we specialize in helping Kenyans in the diaspora bring their construction projects to life without stress of dealing with unreliable service providers. We connect you with the best Terrazzo installers and reputable suppliers, ensuring your project is done right, within budget, and on time. So, whether you are building, renovating, or just exploring your flooring options, let's make your dream home a reality. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you consider Terrazzo for your home? Drop a yes or no in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because we have more insider construction tips coming your way. And remember, for professional project management, vetted service providers, and seamless construction execution, Veewave Enterprises is here for you. Whether you are in Kenya or abroad, we make sure your project runs smoothly. Let's build smart, let's build beautifully. See you in the next video.